Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is to show you all how to quickly and easily create photography studio pro forma financial projections, specifically 12-month profit and loss projections, as well as annually for the next 5 years. So what I'm going to use is my photography studio business plan template, and I'm going to use that as the foundation to show you all how to complete these projections. So the way this video is going to play out is, first and foremost, going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point in time, I'm going to introduce you all to the star of the show, which is my photography studio financial model, and I'll walk you all through it and how to use it, where the information goes, what information needs to go where, and then once you're done with it, I'll show you the final product, which is your pro forma financial projections for your photography studio. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little handy-dandy PowerPoint presentation. So as promised, a little bit about me. Again, name Paul Borosky. I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. I am also an MBA and also the doctoral candidate. Further, I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitements of writing your own business plan or doing your own financial projections, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I would be delighted to write a business plan or do your financial projections for you. I'm also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They are focused on business plan writing as well as understanding financial statements and financial models. And then finally, I am a subject matter expert and adjunct professor for business and finance. So I do have some academics as well as real-world experience backing up my thoughts and ideas about my financial models, structures for the financial projections, whether it be in the photography studio industry as well as other industries. All right, so with that said and done, let's go ahead and zip through this little PowerPoint presentation that I've got designed for you. All right, so here is the star of the show. This is my financial model that is customized for the photography studio industry. If you do buy my photography studio business plan template, it comes with a Word document, which is right here. Say hello, Word document. Hello. This is the Word document. It comes with a Word document which includes your actual business plan, and then it comes with a financial model that again is customized for the photography studio industry. And so this right here is the financial model, and this video is focused on showing you all how to use it. So when you do purchase the template, you open up the financial model, you're going to be greeted with 4 tabs: an information page, a projections page, a profit and loss page, and an income statement page. The information page is where you're going to make all of your changes for the financial model. Anywhere you see the darker colored cells, those are the areas you're going to want to make the changes. Once you do, it'll automatically update the projections tab, which is just a summary of all your information. It'll update your profit and loss statements, which is your profit and loss for the next 12 months, broken up monthly as well as quarterly, month 1 through 3, quarter 1, month 4 through 6, quarter 2, and so on. And again, when you update your information in the information page, it'll also update your pro forma income statement, which is broken up annually for the next 5 years, year 1 through year 5. Now, the information page, like I said, this is the place that you want to make all of your changes. And this is also broken up into categories as well. The first section right here is your daily sales. I do have some numbers put in here. So for the hypothetical photography studio numbers that I've used, I'm saying that we are going to be working with 5 clients on a daily basis. And each client is going to generate about $190 for our services, and our variable cost is about $5. And so what this means right here, so if, for example, if you're going to work with 6 customers or clients on a daily basis, you're going to change the number from 5 to 6. And let's say that you're only going to be generating $150 per client on average, you'll be changing it to $150. And let's say your variable cost is a little bit higher than 5%, it might be 15%. Well, you just change it to 15. And every time you change any of these numbers right here, your revenues are going to change and your costs are going to change as well. The next part of it's going to be your operating days per week. If you're going to be working 5 days a week, then keep it at 5. If you're going to be working 6 days a week, then put it at 6. If you're really going to push the envelope and work 7 days a week, then change it to 7. So whatever your days of the week are going to be, make sure you put it there. The next section is going to be your labor. Right here is going to be your salary, how much you want to pay yourself. If it's going to be $3,000, then keep it at $3,000. If you're going to pay yourself $2,500, then change it to $2,500. The next section is going to be employees. I'm starting you off with no employees, but if you are going to have employees, then enter however many employees you're going to have right there. And then under rate, this is going to be how much you're going to pay them. So for example, if you're going to have one employee, put 1 here. You're going to pay them $15 an hour, put 15 here. And that 172 means that they're a full-time employee. If it's not going to be 172, you're going to work them part-time, then just divide that by 2, or just make it however many hours you're going to have them working on a monthly basis. You put it right there. Your next section is going to be your startup cost. The first 2 lines is going to be your funding. How much money are you going to be investing out of your pocket? It's going to be your equity investment. You'll put that right here. And then if you're going to be taking a loan out, and then you'll put the loan information right here, the loan dollar amount. Now, let's say you're not going to have a loan, so you put 0, and then the loan is gone, and you don't have to worry about it. But if you're going to have a loan, make sure you put that dollar amount there. So next thing, what you're going to do is, if you see right here, the first 2 lines, this is your startup cost. So this is how much you're going to invest into your company at startup. It does total up to $200,000. Whatever these 2 lines total, you are going to want to make sure that you divvy up your starting investment through these categories right here. So you want the total of this right here of your equity investment and your loan to be the same as the categories that you're divvying your money up. All right, and so the startup cost typically for a photography studio might be your build out, your working capital, your equipment, inventory, supplies, advertising, and so on. Any of these numbers right here can be changed by you, and any of these titles right here in the darker colored cells can be changed as well. Your next section is going to be your monthly fixed cost. So whatever your monthly fixed costs are going to be for your rent, your utilities, your office expenses, insurance, whatever those are going to be, you can go ahead and change that information right here. These titles cannot be changed, so keep that in mind. They are static. The next section is going to be your miscellaneous information. This is specific your tax rate. So whatever you think your taxes are going to be, you're going to put it right here. Next section is going to be your growth rate. For the first 5 years, I've got your growth rate broken out for the first 5 years. So whatever your growth rate in revenue is going to be for year 1, year 2, 3, 4, and 5, you can just go ahead and change that right here. The following lines, these right here are all your costs on an annual basis. So whatever your growth rate is going to be for your cost of goods, your salary, your advertising, wherever you want that to be, you can make those growth rate changes right here. The final section is going to be your loan information section. So whatever you put right here for your loan amount will automatically be populated right here. Next, what you'll do is you'll change your interest rate, and then you'll change your term, however long your loan is going to be for in years. And once you do that, the payment will automatically be calculated, and your payment will go through and update you through your profit and loss statement as well as your income statement. And once you're done making the changes into these areas right here, all you have to do is just go to your Word document and then copy and paste. You just copy the financial statement that's ready to go. That's already have your numbers. And then you'll go to the Word document, you'll paste it. And once you're done, your business plan will be ready after you complete the Word document portion of it. All right, so hopefully this information is helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up and call it a day. So in summary, if you are interested in purchasing my photography studio business plan template, you can purchase it at this link right here. It does come with a customizable Word document and a tutorial, which is covered in a separate video. It also comes with the basic financial model and the tutorial, which is what we just covered in this video. There are some limitations. First, is the template is not compatible with Google Docs. It's also not compatible with Apple products. Also, I do not offer free phone support for completing the template. If you have questions before you buy the template, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to have a conversation. But after you purchase the template, I would refer you to my free tutorials, which can be found right here. And then finally, if you need some help writing the business plan, you don't want to mess with tutorials and templates, I do offer custom business plan writing services. Check out my prices here. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.